Yo, Lee. Oh, I was about to say Lee Keys. Hold up. Yo, y'all, it's Leah.
And it's Haley.
And welcome back to another reaction video. So today we're going to react to the PS5 Teardown and an up close and personal look at the console hardware. It's 7 minutes long, but
we're not that technical. So
yeah, we're not that technical. So when it comes to stuff like this, I don't care. I do care, but I don't know. I'm still gonna get the PS5 either way. I don't care about Xbox. They got better stuff. I don't care. But do they have good games on there? No.
Yeah, they're just talking about it runs faster and stuff like that.
Okay, but the only games that
but what game is it gonna run faster for?
Halo.
Exactly.
Call of Duty.
Because all the games they have look like some Android type games you can play on the phone. The arcade.
Yes, but I'm not trying to. You know what? Forget Xbox. I'm sorry, y'all. If y'all get an Xbox, I'm sorry. But stick with PS5. There's so many good games on PS4. But anyways,
let's get into it. Check out our socials. Let's get into it.
Oh,
subscribe.
About that.
Let's
subscribe. Leave a like. Sorry. Do not try this at home. Why would I disable this?
You would do that. Stop playing. If your thing was messed up.
No, that's only if I want to upgrade the hard something. I get more storage, but
it's scary.
That's it. Dang, that thing big.
PlayStation 5です。
Dang,
サ
how's
イ
the
ズは
Xbox
幅
gonna
104ミリ、高さ390ミリ、奥行き260ミリ
I guess it's not in English, huh?
PS4 より一回り大きく
Oh,
する
crazy.
処理能力や静音性の面で飛躍的な性能向上を実現しました。
Okay, it's not gonna be like an
フロン
engine.
ト側には USB Type-C ポートとハイスピード USB 対応の Type-A ポート。ギア側に
To
は
charge my phone
ス
on
ー
it.
パー
Make
スピ
sure
ード
you know the
USB 対
Elgato
応
and
の
stuff can be on this.
Type-A ポ
Let's
ー
see.
トを2つ。
Hopefully.
LAN ポート、
Please.
HDMI ポ
LAN,
ート、
HDMI, of course.
電源
And
端子
the
を搭載して
power,
います。
whatever that's called.
The power port, same
フ
thing.
ロント
Always the
側の
same.
2列が吸気口です。
Air vents. That's clean.
ギア
Okay.
側はすべて排気口になります。ベースを外します。
So you don't have to worry about putting it in nowhere. You can just put it
手
right
上
on
げ
your
の時
table.
はコインネジで固定されてい
And
ま
it can
す。
breathe.
Now I gotta put it on this side of my
Won't be
desk.
that dusty either.
I'm just excited that
外
it's
したネジ
white.
は
Yeah.
ハンドの中に収納できます。
People are like, no, it's gonna get dirty.
で、
Well, clean it.
I'm pretty
care
sure.
of it.
You know, they could have. I wonder how the designs are gonna look for this stuff.
横
I
を切りする
know a
時
lot of
は
people's making
ベ
the
ースを
Miles
回転
Morales
させてくだ
ones.
さい。
Rotate.
こ
Whoa.
のマークに合わせてベースを差し込んでください。
Oh, that's clean. Xbox. What y'all
Easy
gotta
stand.
do?
Oh,
Oh,
it's humongous.
that's
though.
nice. That's nice. They didn't give us a stand for
両
the
側の白い部
PS4.
分はお客様自身で取り外しが可能です。
This looks just like the Oculus,
後ろの
the
角を
VR for the
持ち上げ
PlayStation.
てスライドすると
Dang, that look like he about to. Ooh. See, I would watch this video again, but I need to clean it.
Oh
スライドし
yeah,
ます。
Wow.
easy, easy.
ここに冷却用のファンが内蔵されています。両側から大量の空気を吸い込みます。
Okay.
PS5 では2箇所にダストキャッチャーを設けました。ダストキャッチャーに溜まったホコリはこの2箇所の穴から掃除機で吸い出すことが可能
Get
です。
that little vacuum
Yeah, let me
thing.
get the vacuum thing. Suck that mess out.
将来の拡張ストレージ用として PCIe 4.0 に対応し
Don't know
た
what that is, sir.
Bluetooth インターフェースを搭載してい
Or
ます。
storage.
Oh, feature storage. Okay.
ここからプレイステーション5を分解していきます。
Because I might need that. Look, they got a brand for that little thing.
Right.
The logos. Okay, I'm not doing any of that.
Nope. Scary.
If I don't have enough storage, delete the game. I'm not about to tear this down. Oh, he's removing the fan. That's a lot of work. We don't have
yeah.
tools like this, y'all.
直径
Look how the
120
wires are like.
厚さ
How did
45
they
ミ
do
リ
this?
の
They're
両面
smart.
吸気の大型ファンを搭載しています。
How is if you break it?
You're
ケースを
done
外し
for.
ます
Like,
PlayStation could be overheated.
no, I know it's not gonna turn off without the cooling fan.
Yeah. It could be hot. It's gonna
It's
blow
gonna be
up.
hot, yeah.
As soon as you turn.
See, I'm not no technician or whatever, so I'm not interested in stuff
ウ
like
ル
this,
トラ
but it's
HD ブ
cool.
ルーレイのドライブユニットです。
The Blu-ray.
ドライブユニットは板金ケースで完全に覆い、さらに二重のインシュレーターでマウントすることにより、世界電磁の高音と
I never
振
see
動
how
の
it
対立
looks like when they spin the disc in the console.
次に
I think I did it one
Wi-Fi 6と
time.
Bluetooth 5.1 の
This is not like PS2 when the thing comes out, you have to put the disc on there.
Oh
Remember
yeah.
that?
シールド板を外します。
I wonder who made the Xbox. Like, they got these people making it. Come on. I was just shocked that that Xbox, like, their pre-order sold out fast.
They did?
Yes. And people was getting mad.
CPU は
Wonder
8
how
コア16
fast.
スレッドで最大
3.5?
3.5
Okay.
GHz で駆動します。
Oh.
GPU は最大 2.23 GHz で駆動し、10.3 テラフロップスを実現します。
It's not bad. Hit it
メ
on.
モリーは GDDR6 を8個搭載し、バンド幅は最大で毎秒 448GB です。
16 gigs.
ストレージは HDD に代わり 825GB の SSD をオンボードで実装しています。カスタムの SSD コントローラーにより、読み込み速度は生データの転送速度で毎秒 5.5GB と高速化され、ゲームのロード時間を大幅に短縮しています。
Okay.
PS5 の SoC は小型の台を非常に高いクロックで動作させています。このため、シリコン台の熱密度が非常に
Where's the
高く、
part in the system that
SoC とヒートシン
notifies
クの
it?
間に挟む TIM と呼ばれ
You
る
know, like
熱伝導
you
材
turn
の
on the
大幅
PlayStation
な
through
性
the
能アップが
controller.
必
How
要
is
で
that
した。
possible?
PS5 で
I
は
don't know.
長期で安定し
They got
た
like some
高い
kind
冷
of
却
Bluetooth
性能を実現するため、この TIM に液体金属を採用しました。我々は2年以上前からこの液体金属を採用するための準備をしてきました。
2 years.
考えうるありとあらゆる試験を実施し、採用に至っています。
I don't see why they're not giving us pre-orders.
これが
2 years?
PS5 のヒートシンクです。PS3 や PS4 と同じくヒートパイプを使っていますが、形状やエアフローの工夫により、ベーパーチャンバーと同等の性能を実現しました。
Thank you so much, you guys, for making this console.
Bring up
Your hard work is not gonna go to
Mm.
waste. I'm gonna treat it like a baby.
That's the power supply.
Jesus. Just like your PS4 and the PS3, thank you so much.
I love
would
the
not drop
PlayStation
it.
4 design too.
Yeah. I would
こ
not.
れが PlayStation 5の
Yeah, but you'll break the controllers.
The controllers, y'all, you need to work on that, but still, we good. I know the PS. That's it? That's 7
Oh.
minutes? Wow. Like, we need to just remember that they spent so much time trying to make a console for us. And we trying to
Look
rush
what
them, just
Neto-
like video games. We trying to rush them for the GTA 6.
Because they gotta make the story, they gotta make how they, you know,
It's just so
look, how
much.
they react and stuff like that. It's a lot of work.
Like,
You
I
gotta
can understand
yeah.
why it takes years for like a second part of the game to come out, you know?
7 years?
Like, Last of Us 1 was that 2013?
7 years.
7 years.
I know that's hard, especially like animations and stuff, because you
Yeah, it's a lot of
have
work.
to do it like, I think you have to do it like each time. Or each
Yeah, that's why I just
second.
appreciate like them making consoles for us. All these stuff that they people be making for us is like, oh, I can just talk dirty and be mean, like, oh,
Yeah.
this and that. Oh, when is GTA 6 coming out? It's been this long. It doesn't matter. GTA 5 is still good.
Exactly.
They still making updates for free. GTA 6
That's-
not
that's
coming
a
out
good
anytime
thing.
soon.
But
Anyways,
we
y'all.
Let's go.
Anyways, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed it, liked it, and subscribe. We just need 3 more subscribers to hit 200 subs. And yeah, check out our main channel, check out our social links, and yeah, that's about it. See you guys in the next reaction videos. When
And we
anything
will
comes
react
out.
to you guys' videos. We
Yes,
see you guys'
we're-
videos.
Yes, we see it, you guys. We see it, but Haley's just saying,
We've
no,
been
let's
slacking.
do this, let's do this.
Yeah, because there's always something out, and we
Yeah.
want to get the like poppin' stuff out too.
So don't worry, we see you guys' request. We will react to it.
Yes.
Promise. We just,
Yeah,
you know,
chill it out, chill
try
out.
to get the ones that, you know, we got to drop. Even though we're like days late. But anyways, yeah,
Peace
but
out.
anyway, peace out, yeah.